Fall is one of those times that most people have pruning on their minds. This is a quick little video to show you when it's time to prune, how to cut. So this viburnum here needs a little bit of a shape. I have about 3 stems on this plant that I'm going to take down this plant to size. But I want to show you exactly where to cut. So taking your bypass pruners, you want to cut at least 1 inch above the node. That way, when the plant is starting to heal, it's going to be able to dry this top part off, but then save the nodes. And that's where your next set of leaves is coming from. Look for the dead stems that are in your plant and break them off to keep that plant clean and tidy. In some cases, your plant might have 2 stems that would be rubbing against each other, creating an open wound on the plant. Take your loppers or your pruners and decide on one stem, taking it out close to the bottom to make the other stem have room to grow. The wonderful thing with all these plants is they come with very good labels that tell you everything you need to know. How to prune, its hardiness, so keep these handy so you know how to take care of these plants. This hydrangea here is an arborescens type hydrangea that only blooms on new wood. You would prune this early next spring. And how you would prune this plant is, again, taking your bypass pruners and pruning about 1 centimeter above each node. You also want to make sure any stems that are crisscrossing side by side are taken care of by pruning one of them out. And you want to make sure that you thin your plant so that it's nice and robust for the growing season. Another quick tip from West Coast Gardens.